How to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. The first thing that you need to do is to open up the settings on your iPhone, and then you will click on your name here at the very top. Once you click on your name, then here the first thing that we need to do is to click on security and sign in. Once you click on security and sign in, then it should look like this. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see change password. You want to click on change password and then set a new password for your account. Next, you will go back, and this time we will click on payment and shipping. Once you select that option, it should show you your payment method, and here you just want to click on your payment method and verify all of your information. Once you have verified your information, we will go back and then you will add a shipping address. Make sure it matches the same address that is set to your payment method. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.